Hi, I'm Liam Heslop and welcome to our tasting room. This is our part of our quarantine wine tasting series, or self-isolation, whichever you're doing. So I just want to talk to you about one of our new release wines. This is our 2019 Late Harvest. It's a blend of Sauvignon Blanc and white Frontignac. Fronti is a muscat grape, so full of flavour, floral. Let's have a little taste, see how we go. 2019 was quite a warm, dry harvest. So we got a lot of raisin fruit by the time we harvest this wine, as opposed to a botrytis. So it's not quite as thick and heavy as they can be. It's more on the more delicate, bright, fruity flavours. So let's have a taste. Nice. It's a real luscious palate, but nice refreshing finish. Some orange blossom, honey, real tropical fruit flavours like pineapple and guava. Oh, that is so good. It will go really nicely with spiced apple cake, chocolate cake, even Persian love cake. So it's $25. Order it online if you're locals, free delivery. Give us a call, get on the website.